So you've recently broken an aluminium sliding door and there is glass everywhere. You've taken the dimensions, you've rung up your local glazier and they have explained that there's a 5 to 7 day lead time on that toughened safety glass. So what are you meant to do to secure your property in the meantime? And why does this glass have a lead time? Well, in this video I'm going to explain to you why, working with a reputable glass and glazing company, they require these lead times in order to order your glass. Stay tuned. When talking about lead times, it's also important to note that there are literally thousands of different combinations of glass that can go into a residential home. It's impossible for us to stock every single type, and some types need to be made to order. So if your aluminium window broke in your laundry or your rear sliding door and the glass explodes and go everywhere, this is an indication of toughened safety glass. Now, we don't have a toughening plant here at Economy Glass, so we need to order that panel from our supplier exactly to size. Now, it's important to note that with toughened safety glass, once that glass has been made, it can't be changed, altered or adjusted. Thanks for watching, I hope that helped. To learn more, download our free guide or feel free to get in touch.